Dude, what's up? Oh! There's a big old cicada. Is he gonna sing? Oh, here he goes. You don't need to see, Miku. He's not, he's kind of weak. He's not making much noise. There's nothing to see. Look up and see it. Miku, you can see it better. You can't see it. It's not very big on this. It's tiny. Look. So, trust me. Zoom up しても見えないよ. Oh, I'm not trying to be mean to you by saying don't look at it here. It's always better to look with your real eyes rather than look through the video. So. Yeah, you're like this big. Yes. Yeah, you're so small. And actually here, if I look at you, you're like this big. But look, you don't even fit. You don't even fit on my screen at that size. Of course you're much smaller on this. Yeah. I haven't taken pictures or video of you much lately, huh? So, it's an awfully cute dress. Did you put the kaidan on? So, are those pants too? Yeah. So, how high can you jump? Not bad. You sure you want to do that with sandals? Yeah. Miku, where are you going? Get out of there. Don't be going up in people's yard. Not bad. I'm not sure if I like the idea of you just running out into the street jumping like that. What if a car came? You just jump over the car? Yeah. Yeah. Can you jump over cars? No. No. Well, if you could jump over the house, you could jump over a car, but... Well, I think if you could jump over Tokyo Tower, you could jump over just about anything. Yeah. What do you think would be better, Miku? To be able to jump really high or to be able to fly? Fly. Why? Oh, you could just fly over it? Nice. What? Chiffon. Chiffon? Like Precchia no chiffon? Ah, you want to be like Chiffon. But Chiffon's half retarded, isn't she? No. Chiffon's always like... Chiffon has that power, but she never says anything except go... Really? I always thought Chiffon was half retarded. Does she drool on herself like that too? Chiffon does not strike me as a very smart thing. Should we go inside and eat some bread? What the hell does that mean? Does she say anything other than Mipu? Then how do people know what she's saying? Is that all it means? Doesn't Mipu mean like all sorts of stuff? Yeah. Here we go. What is that other thing that looks like a ferret?
タルト。
Ah, taruto.
ピ
And
ー
what
チハンとか言うやね。
does tart have a power?
あるけど、前ね、面白いんだよ。だってね、タルトだけね、フワパッションとかのなんか電話あるでしょ。プリキュアたち。なんか、チェンジプリキュアとかさ。
Right.
あ
Oh.
のやつでね、タルトしか知らないんだよ、いろんなこと。
Oh yeah.
それの前ね、ミップって泣いてた時でタルトがね、教えてあげるんだよ。タルトはね、ピーチハンとか言うの。
Peach ha?
うん、ピーチハン。
Ah, peach hang. Half a peach? Peach no hanbun? Peach hang? No.
桃のこと。
Momo no hang?
桃を半分に切るとき、ピーチハンって言うの。
Ah, なるほど。
ピーチハン。
So. And what is tart's power?
タルトね、前ね、シフォンが泣いてた時にミルクってね、分かったからね、ピーチの貸してもらってね、ミルクだってってくるって顔したんだよ。
Oh yeah?
うん、ピーチハン。
Peach hang. And what is chiffon's power?
シフォンはね、前ね、消しゴムでみんなの体の中に入れてかゆかったんだよ。とかね、いろんなものね、浮かましてくれるんだよ。
何をする？
浮かます。
浮かます？
うん。
What does that mean?
なんかさ、空にさ、なんかさ、船を浮かます。
Float?
うん、フロート。
Ah, so chiffon can make things float.
うん。
なるほど。
さ、子供の風船が上に行った時、下にもできるんだよ。
Ah.
その時でそのパワーでね、下に行ってね、あげるんだよ。
Well, that's pretty nice.
ここになんかね、ダイヤモンドがあってね、そこからね、ダム出してるの。
So chiffon can kind of move things around,
Yeah.
up and down. Or,
Yeah.
I see. Okay.
横とか。
Should we go inside and get some food? Okay. Hey, kiddo. Love you.
バイバイ。